point blank period. Hey y'all, my name is Janice, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite makeup products that is $10 and below. I'm like the drugstore queen. I have way more drugstore products than I do high-end. I love both, but drugstore just has like a huge piece of my heart. There's some really good gems at the drugstore. I feel like they're stepping up their game, so you don't have to spend a lot, you know, to look beat over. If you guys want to see some of my favorite products that is $10 and below, keep on watching. Alrighty, so let's talk about primers. I have two primers here that are like on a low that I really love. They kind of do the same thing, but I do have a preference. I do like one more than the other. I have the Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Smoothing Refiner, and then I also have the Milani Prime Shield Mattifying and Pore Minimizing Oil Free Primer. So these are both under $10 and they both work really well, but the one I like the most is the Catrice product. I just think this product does a really great job at filling in the pores, and I also feel like it helps with the longevity of my makeup. A lot of people on YouTube do say that the Catrice Prime and Fine Smoothing Primer is a dupe for the Tarte Smoothing Primer and also the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Now, I've never owned the Tarte or the Tatcha. That's just what people on YouTube say. But the Milani Prime Shield Primer is also another one of my faves. It does a really good job of mattifying and also filling in the pores. So what I love about this one is that not only is it going to help fill in the pores, but if you have oilier skin, it's also going to mattify you a little bit. You can get both of these from Ulta. And if I'm talking really fast, I have like a grip of stuff that I want to get to, so I want to get through everything in a timely manner. So let's talk about foundations. I have two drugstore foundations that like totally have my heart. I really love them. The first one is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. Not only is this product super affordable, I believe it's like $5 and some change, like, which is bomb, but it also really works because it's going to keep you matte, but it's not going to dry out your face where it feels like it's tugging. The coverage on this is really amazing. I feel like it's buildable as well, but in my opinion this is medium coverage. The only thing I dislike is that it isn't a pump or anything like that. It's like a bottle where you have to like pour it out in your hand, and that could be like really annoying, but other than that this is great. And then the other one I have is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation. Now this is my go-to in the fall and winter time because the fall and winter is the season where I typically like to look a little bit more dewier, but this does not make you more oily. It just gives you a nice overall glow to the face, and also this has SPF in it, which I really like as well. Just don't take no flash pictures when you're wearing this. So these two are my babies. I love them. Super cheap. You can get them from Target, Walmart, Ulta, whatever you want to, you know, get them from, but they're amazing. All right, I have a grip of concealers to show you guys. The first one I want to show you is like the cheapest out of the bunch, I believe, and these are the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealers. You guys should all know about these. They look like this. They come in these little tubes like this. I have like a color correcting one, and I have some different colors to contour and highlight with. These are just really amazing. They're super cheap products, but they work like high-end products. They have so many different colors you could choose from. Like I said, they do have color correctors as well. Now they do sell these on Ulta. I think they're like $4.99 or something like that. I personally get them from my beauty supply stores because they're like $2.99. Why spend $4.99 when you can spend $2.99? I have firstly this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, which I really love. I've been using this for so long. This is like one of my favorite concealers at the drugstore. I use this to highlight with. The only downside with this concealer is that it only comes in 6 shades. I just think that that's whack, especially because this product is so freaking bomb. I wish that they would come out with more shades so more people can discover and fall in love with it like I did. So Wet n Wild, step your cookies up, come out with some more shades, but this is really awesome. I got this from Ulta. The next two are both by Maybelline. I have the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and then the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Both of them are like OGs in my makeup game. I really love them both. The only thing I hate is the packaging. It does come in like this twist up thing, so you have to twist it up to get the product out of the puff. I just feel like that's a little bit like but this works really good. I think this will look amazing also on mature skin. And then the Maybelline Fit Me is one of my holy grail concealers. It's amazing, so I definitely recommend this. And then lastly, this is not a drugstore concealer, but it's drugstore price. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. It's only $6. This is really an amazing concealer. This is one of my holy grails, and it's bomb and it's cheap. So next, let's get into some powders. So for a pressed powder, I have the Black Radiance Pressed Powder. This is an oil-free formula with a matte finish, and I have the shade Honey Glow. Now mine just recently broke on me, so it's all crumbled up. This is an amazing powder. It is gonna make you like set your face like mattely but not look like super cakey and like makeup-y. I feel like this helps also with the longevity of my makeup. I did get this product online on their website, but I know Black Radiance is sold in Target stores. And then for like a loose powder that you could use to bake with, I have the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. It's really bomb. I do have the yellow shade, but it's not super yellow. Like I have the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and that one is super yellow. This one is more like a translucent yellow. Use this to set my whole face sometimes, and it works really amazing. All right, so let's talk about some brow products. So I have two brow products that I really love. The first one is by LA Girl. This is the Shady Slim Brow Pencil. This is my life. I love this stuff so much. I did get this from Ulta. They have many different colors you could choose from, and it works well. But what I'm currently using that is super dog cheap are actually these LA Color eyeliner slash brow pencil. They come in a pack. You get 2 of these with a pencil sharpener, and they're 98 cents. 98 cents, sis. I've been using this as a brow pencil, and it's been working really good. I also use it like as an eyeliner. It just works. Okay, alrighty, so let's get into some blush products that I absolutely love. The first one is the OG, like my love, my baby, my love. This is the e.l.f. blush palette. I have it in the shade Dark, and this comes with 4 different blush colors and a mirror. When I go anywhere, when I do anything, if I'm doing someone else's makeup, this is the palette I bring with me because you can cater to all skin types pretty much. This is the color I use the most. It's more natural color. That's actually what I'm wearing today, and I think this is only $6. And then when it comes to cream blushes, nobody does it like ColourPop. Now I love cream blushes, especially on days where you like want to wear like a no makeup look, or if you're getting older and powder blushes kind of like accentuate lines and stuff. Cream blushes are like your best friends. These work really well. I think these are only $8 and they're bomb. Also a ColourPop blush, but this is the pressed powder blush. But I really love the formula of this. This is just amazing. It lasts for a really long time. It doesn't make your face look powdery. It just gives you like that nice wash of color and go. Really love ColourPop pressed blushes as well as the cream blushes. And then lastly, I have the BH Cosmetics Floral Blush Duo Cheek Color. This one is in the shade Caribbean Coral. Now I really love this one. This is actually one of my favorite blushes of all time. This stays forever. I love this. This is one of my holy grail favorite blushes. All right, so I have 3 of my favorite highlighters right here from the drugstore. Excuse me, 4 of my favorite highlighters from the drugstore. The first one is by ColourPop. This is a cream highlighter formula. This is in the shade Candyman. I really love this highlighter. It is like a super blinding gold, but the formula is amazing. It just lasts a long time. The color's bomb. Is super cheap. I really enjoy their cream highlighter, so definitely recommend if you're in the market. The next one is by e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in the shade Blush Gems. This is actually one of my favorite highlighters. It's like a little bit smaller, but it works really great. This color is amazing. It sits on top of the skin really well. The only thing with these is you do have to kind of like scrape off the first layer because it's like this film, but once you get down to the nitty-gritty, is bomb. Then my favorite from the drugstore is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. This one is in the shade Molten Rose Gold. These are really popping, and they're really amazing. They do have a lot of different colors in this formula as well. I believe this is right under $10, but it's very worth it. And then the next product can be used as a highlighter and all over like face glow. This is the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and I have the shade Sunbeam. I really love these. I've mixed them in with my foundation to give a glowy look. I use it as highlighter on the top of my cheeks. I've used it on my body. I've used it under makeup. Like, it's just really amazing. So if you're looking for like a cream highlighter thing, this is really good. So for eyeshadows, I first want to talk about my ColourPop Super Shock Shadows. They work really good. You can apply them with your finger, with brushes, and they just look wet on the eye. They last forever. They don't crease. I have like 13 or 14 of these, and they're just all bomb. They're gonna last you forever. Definitely recommend ColourPop Super Shock Shadows. I also want to talk about Wet n Wild. Now Wet n Wild actually has some of the most amazing formulas at the drugstore. Like, they're super underrated to me when it comes to their eyeshadows. So I just have like some of these quads here. I don't know the names of them, they're super old, but I love these, especially this one right here. This one is my favorite, like my favorite. Cannot go wrong with these. I think these are like, what, $2.99? Bomb. And then lastly, for eyeshadows, I have these ColourPop single eyeshadows, like they're pressed ones. So I have some ColourPop shadows here and then here. They're really good. They're $4 if you just want the single like I have, and $5 if you want them in a compact. Either way, they're bomb. I actually do prefer, so far from the ones I've tried, I do prefer their matte shades more than their shimmer shades. They're bomb. Definitely worth the money. Definitely worth trying out. They have so many colors, so many different finishes, like bomb. Next, let's talk about the one mascara that I have. But Maybelline and L'Oreal makes amazing mascaras. Amazing. But this one is taking the cake for me. It's just bomb. This is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This is about $4.99. I got this on Ulta and it's bomb. I've been wearing it nonstop and it's super bomb. And they have so many other mascaras that I want to try from Essence that I hear nothing but great things about. But this is literally freaking bomb. I've put like my whole family on this because it's bomb. Literally the only lip liners that I really truly buy like more colors of is the NYX ones. I love the NYX lip liners. They're super cheap. They come in a ton of different colors. Just actually prefer NYX lip liners. They're bomb. And then as far as an actual like bullet regular lipstick, I've been really into like regular lipstick. This is also by ColourPop. These are their Luxe lipsticks. This is in the shade Scorpio Moon and I really like this. I like the formula. I like the shape of it. It just makes it really easy to put it on your lips and it's bomb. Like the formula of this is so freaking creamy. I think this is only like, what, $7 or $8, and it works really good. And as far as lip glosses, I've been enjoying both of these. The first one is the Revlon lip gloss. I have the shade Sandstorm. This is really bomb. It's like this gold peachy metallic color. It's really great. These are like $8 and some change. And what I've been obsessed with is the Essence Shine Wet Look lip gloss. Looks like this. It's just a clear gloss. This is like $2.99. I got this from Ulta and it's bomb. Alright, lastly we have setting spray. It's the ColourPop All-Star Face Setting Spray, which I love so freaking much. This is exactly $10 and it's really good. It smells like cinnamon. It helps really make my makeup last. I feel like it just mattes my face out. I really love this. Definitely recommend this. This is like, I'll forever repurchase this. It's bomb. I hope this video helped you guys, you know, when you make your makeup list and go to the drugstore. And that's it. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.